Meta's new Llama 3 models give open source AI a boost. New AI models from Meta are making waves in technology circles. The two new models, part of the Facebook parent company's Llama line of artificial intelligence tools, are both open source, helping them stand apart from competing offerings from OpenAI and others well-known names. Meta's new Llama models have differently sized underlying datasets, with the Llama 3 8B model featuring 8 billion parameters and the Llama 3 70B model some 70 billion parameters. The more parameters, the more powerful the model, but now every AI task needs the largest possible dataset. The company's new models, which were trained on 24,000 GPU clusters, perform well across benchmarks that Meta put them up against, besting from rivals models that were already in the market. What matters for those of us now competing to build and release the most capable or largest AI models, what we care about is that they are still getting better with time and work and a lot of compute. While Meta takes an open source approach to AI work, its competitors often prefer more closed source work. Despite its name and history, offers access to its models, but not their source code. There is a healthy debate in the world of AI regarding which approach is better for both speed of development and also safety. After all, some technologists and some computing doomers, to be clear, are worried that AI tech is developing too fast and could prove dangerous to democracies and more. For now, Meta is keeping the AI fires alight, offering a new challenge to its peers and rivals to best their latest. For what it's worth, Meta also developed its own test set covering use cases ranging from coding and creative writing to reasoning to summarization. And surprise, Llama 370B came out on top against Mistral's Mistral Medium model, OpenAI's GPT 3.5 and Cloud Sonnet. Meta says that it gated its modeling teams from accessing the set to maintain objectivity, but obviously, given that Meta itself devised the test, the results have to be taken with a grain of salt. Many generative AI vendors see training data as a competitive advantage, and those keep it and info pertaining to it close to the chest. But training data details are also a potential source of IP-related lawsuits and other disincentive to reveal much. Recent reporting reveals that Meta, in its quest to maintain pace with AI rivals, at one point used copyrighted ebooks for AI training despite the company's own lawyers' warnings. Meta and OpenAI are the subject of an ongoing lawsuit brought by authors including comedian Sarah Silverman over the vendors, which was talking about unauthorized use of copyrighted data for training. So what's about toxicity and bias? Two other common problems with generative AI models, including Llama 2. Does Llama 3 improve in those areas? Yes, claims Meta. Meta says that it developed new data filtering pipelines to boost the quality of its model training data, and that it has updated its pair of generative AI safety suits, Llama Guard and CyberSec Eval, to attempt to prevent the misuse of and unwanted text generations from Llama 3 models and others. The company is also releasing a new tool called Shield designed to detect code from generative AI models that might introduce security vulnerabilities. Filtering isn't foolproof, and tools like Llama Guard, CyberSec Eval, and Code Shield only go so far. Llama second's tendency to make up answers to questions and leak private health and financial information. And we need to wait and see how the Llama 3 models perform in the wild, inclusive of testing from academics on alternative benchmarks. Meta says that the Llama 3 models, which are available for download now and powering Meta's Meta AI assistant on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Messenger, and the web, will soon be hosted in managed form across a wide range of cloud platforms including AWS, Databricks, Google Cloud, Hugging Face, Kaggle, IBM's WatsonX, Microsoft Azure, NVIDIA's NIM, and Snowflake. In the future versions of the models optimized for hardware from AMD, AWS, Dell, Intel, NVIDIA, and Qualcomm will also be made available. The Llama 3 models might be widely available, but you will notice that we are using open to describe them as opposed to open source. That's because despite Meta's claims, its Llama family of models aren't as no strings attached as it would have people believe. Yes, they were available for both research and commercial applications. However, Meta forbids developers from using Llama models to train other generative models, while app developers with more than 700 million monthly users must request a special license from Meta that the company will or won't grant based on its discretion. More capable Llama models are on the horizon. Meta says that it's currently training Llama 3 models over 400 billion parameters in size. Models with the ability to converse in multiple languages, take more data in, and understand images and other modalities as well as text, which would bring the Llama 3 series online with open releases like Hugging Face's Edefix 2. Our goal in the near future is to make Llama 3 multilingual and multimodal, have longer context, and continue to improve overall performance across core different models, capabilities such as reasoning and coding. Meta writes in a blog post. That's no more to come. Thank you so much. Leave a comment. What do you think about Llama 3 model?